Introducing the Matica EdiSecure XID 8600 retransfer card printer, featuring 600 DPI color image and text printing. That's right, 600 dots per inch, with brilliant retransfer dye sublimation for the ultimate in high-definition desktop printing. The XID 8600 is built from the same reliable engine as its predecessors, the 8300 and 9300 series, but offers you true 600 DPI printing for a low-cost, desktop anti-counterfeiting solution for driver licenses, access cards, identification badges, student IDs, and more. In addition to standard 4-color retransfer printing, the XID 8600 can also print higher resolution text and images with twice the clarity of 300 DPI retransfer printers. This allows you to create card security features, microtext, and watermarks that are nearly impossible to see with the naked eye and require over 10 times magnification to verify. Just like its precursors, the XID 8600 can print on cards made from PVC, PVH, ABS, polyester, and polycarbonate, allowing you greater flexibility for longer-lasting, more durable cards. It also comes standard with 64 megabytes of RAM for larger resolution 600 DPI batch printing jobs at high-volume stations. The XID 8600 has options for inline magnetic stripe and contact chip smart card encoders, plus contactless options for Prox, iClass, MyFair, and DesFire reading and encoding. It also works with the same ILM-LS and ILM-DS solutions for single or dual-side custom lamination and can be used in conjunction with Matica's new LEU 8000 inline laser engraving system for the ultimate in secure credential production. You could use live data and images printed on an XID 8600 added to pre-printed stock with custom watermarks, include custom laminate with high-resolution reflective features on an ILM-DS, plus add tamper-proof laser engraving from an inline LEU 8000, and your cards would be virtually impossible to counterfeit. The XID 8600 also works with Matica's EdiSecure Connect multifunction driver platform for Windows XP, Vista, 7, and 8, allowing you to create print farms of multiple 8600 printers grouped together for high-volume batch printing jobs, or in line with other EdiSecure XID and DCP printers for the simultaneous printing of multiple jobs on different systems. The XID 8600 is the perfect combination of reliability and flexibility for producing high volumes of access cards, driver licenses, and identification badges with practical security features for government agencies, military installations, transportation authorities, healthcare systems, educational institutions, enterprise corporations, and more. To give you the best return on your investment, the Matica EdiSecure XID 8600 comes with a standard 3-year warranty on all parts and labor, plus a lifetime warranty on the 600 DPI printhead. With EdiSecure's renowned XID retransfer pedigree, backed by Matica's premium support, plus a host of available options to customize the printer for your organization's specific security needs, the XID 8600 delivers an extremely low total cost of ownership packaged with an incredible set of features. For more information, please visit our website today. We can also put you in direct contact with your local Matica reseller for current pricing and available options.